All right, got a sub panel going in here. We already set the sub panel, started running the conduit. Power's going to be coming back out from the disconnect, which is conveniently has low spots for 4 breakers in there. So we're going to pick up 2-pole 50, dig down our 18 inches, get the ditch witch out here, cut it back in. Already drove the ground rod, sunk it all the way 8 foot into the earth. That's just hanging out for now until it gets secured. And like I said, got the panel mounted. Gonna put a 2-pole 30 for a welding receptacle. We got our conduit runs up. It's a J box up there, which I'm gonna come out on a piece of MC cable back through, mount a wall pack on the outside, controlled by a switch. Yeah, just running some easy peasy 1/2 inch EMT. Back around, back up. In our next junction box. And then over here, trying to get some lighting, but so this box was already mounted, the switches were already installed, and a little bit of that ENT going up to the light and the receptacle back over there above the workbench. So this was installed by Leonard, the manufacturers of the building, and they done a pretty shoddy job of wiring up the devices, didn't run the screws in. And when I took their conduit out, they had used a tubing cutter to cut the conduit, and then they didn't bother to ream anything. But they had the power set up to come in right here. I'm doing away with that because I'm feeding it back up through here. I'll pull a set of travelers and throw a 3-way switch in there instead of just a single pole. Put my companion 3-way back over here, and then 1 single pole switch for the outside wall pack. That's going to be already made up all the outlets. Everything's going to be GFCI protected. So we come over here. These guys, we're going to tuck some conduit back on that top rail. All this stuff just about ready to go in. And this is another one of Leonard's fine things. They didn't pull the equipment grounding conductor through. They just used the Raceway as their equipment grounding conductor, which does not meet code standards. So I will have to pull a grounding conductor, not an electrode, but grounding conductor. So yeah, right now I'm still waiting to get the ditch because Roanoke City is slow as molasses in January, and I haven't got my permit quite yet. But show goes on. Get it inspected whenever they issue my permit that it's already been paid for.